wrong, because how do you compare this to these? I'm telling you how. You don't. You can't compare them.
The original outfit.
Let's talk about SHEIN and the RICO. This designer is a great example because it's not basic attire that you've seen other places. And now that SHEIN is being sued for copyright and trademark infringement under the Racketeering, Influence, and Corrupt Organization Act, also known as RICO, designers like Miante the GOAT may want to lawyer up. If you don't already follow me, I'm an intellectual property lawyer, LBJ, and I help people register trademarks and copyrights, and I also like to teach small businesses brand protection online. So today's lesson: generally, copyright protection is not available for the fashion industry in the U.S. Remember, copyrights are protection for works of art in a tangible form. Think movies, drawings, pictures, photographs, and books. The U.S. Congress has determined you cannot copyright useful articles such as clothing, but there are a few exceptions. A designer like Miante could apply for copyright protection if the article of clothing contains an artistic feature that would have copyright protection on its own as either a graphic work or a sculptural work. For example, a basic pair of blue jeans with a belt loop and front pockets and seams down the middle, nothing particularly artistic about that. But this special design, I could easily see in a fashion museum. To be considered original, the features of the clothing that the creator claims is pictorial or graphic or sculptural must have been independently created by the designer. There's no current designer that can say they created the idea of pants and pockets or belt loops on general jeans as they exist now. But I bet Miante can testify in court of how he came up with the idea of ropes on this whole pantsuit, where he designed it from, and the process to create it. Understand, it is not just enough to independently create a design. The design must be new and sufficiently creative and different from what currently exists in order to get copyright protection. Lack of creativity is the main cause of rejection when clothing is submitted for copyright protection. But tell me, what do you think? Is this designer's idea creative enough? Should he have copyright protection if it is in fact copied by SHEIN? Now in my next video, I'm going to make an important distinction between clothing designs and sketches or photographs of designers' clothing. But tell me what you think in the comments, and don't forget to follow me for more important information about trademark and copyright law.